All right, Calvin, you gonna get this on the green?
Of course. Okay. Sounds fair. Yeah, there's a creek there. I forgot about
that. It's good.
Just shy of there. Go ahead.
Okay, we got the train. Come in. Any parting words? Any tips for the youngsters out there?
Watch the ball.
Watch the ball.
Darren's lining up for a shot. The crowd is very silent.
He's bending his knees. He's always been a good squatter.
Yes. He's looking at the hole. Back at us. Oh, at his ball. At the hole. Still looking. Oh, at the ball again. One more look at the hole. Oh, and the beauty shot!
You said two shots, right?
Any words?
Would have liked that to prefer to be a little bit more to the right.
Just gotta get the ball in
A
the
little
hole.
more straight.
The ball, we gotta, play better than the
Gotta
other
put
guys.
the ball in the hole.
Yeah.
And get my drives a little bit straighter.
Yeah. And
Get less than everyone else.
you can do that. You're a pro.
Yeah.
Let's get on the second shot. Yeah, your first one was better.
I know. Well, totally screwed me up. People just start yelling. Damn fighters.